Good morning or good afternoon, ATPF families. My name is Emily Padilla and I'm a volunteer with ATPF. Today I will be reading Mamas and Babies. Wake up, baby ducklings, it's time to rise and shine. There's breakfast at the pond, follow Mama in a line. Baby monkey, if you feel a rumbling in your tummy, hop on Mama's back and she will find you something yummy. After breakfast, panda cub, it's time to roll and play. Mama knows it's fun to wrestle in a pretend way. You're getting bigger, baby bear, and Mama knows it's time to keep you safe from danger, so she'll teach you how to climb. Hello, baby elephant, your trunk's a clever tool. Let your mama show you how to use it to stay cool. Sometimes, baby penguin, there'll be danger from a storm. Hide under Mama's belly and she'll keep you nice and warm. All together, baby giraffes, there's lots of time to play. One Mama will keep watch while all the others are away. Now it's bath time, otter pup. Let Mama carry you. She will clean your fur until it's soft and fluffy too. Time for a nap, little koala. Go and settle down. Snuggle in your mama's pouch so you are safe and sound. Good night, baby zebra. Now your busy day is through. Sleep tight, baby zebra. Mama will watch over you. Thank you.